नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, अदानी जी हैं, अमित शाह जी हैं। सेफ है तो कौन सेफ है? अदानी जी सेफ हैं। कष्ट किसको होगा? धारावी की जनता को होगा।
तिजोरी में सेंध मारने वालों ने सेफ का अर्थ तिजोरी समझा। इसमें गलती किसी की नहीं है, ये गलती उस खानदान की है।
Well, the brazen hypocrisies of the Congress party going into the Maharashtra election on the issue of big business, Adani, the big flashpoints, the polarizing moments of an election that is now wound down to a close are my big focus here on 5 Live. Thanks as always for being with me. This election season going into Maharashtra has been one of high-octane slogans. Batenge to katenge by Yogi Adityanath. Ek hai to safe hai by Prime Minister Modi. Well, today, Rahul Gandhi, on a day when the campaign has finally wound down, chose to make his big counter-attack on the BJP and Prime Minister Modi personally. Mocking the Ek hai to safe hai war cry of the BJP, Rahul Gandhi said, Modi's Ek hai safe hai slogan is only for industrialist billionaire Gautam Adani. The BJP hit back with Chota Popat jibe, reminding him of his brother-in-law's close ties with Adani, not to mention many state governments under the Congress party and the India bloc. Watch this.
इस इलेक्शन का नारा मोदी जी ने दिया है और बिल्कुल सही नारा है। एक है तो सेफ है। सवाल है सेफ कौन है, सेफ किसका है, एक कौन है, ये सवाल है।
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi mocks Prime Minister Modi's Ek hai to safe hai war cry with jibe at Adani's Dharavi slum project. Rahul Gandhi took a sharp dig at Modi, accusing him of prioritizing Gautam Adani over the people of Maharashtra. Rahul fired salvos, saying that as long as Modi is there, Adani is safe.
एक है तो सेफ है, एक कौन है? एक नरेंद्र मोदी जी हैं, अदानी जी हैं, अमित शाह जी हैं। सेफ है तो कौन सेफ है? अदानी जी सेफ हैं।
Rahul was sitting out at Modi's Ek hai to safe hai war cry in poll-bound Maharashtra.
कांग्रेस SC, ST, OBC समाज की एक जाति को दूसरे के खिलाफ खड़ा कर रही है। अलग अलग जातियों में टूटने से आप सोचिए कमजोर हो जाएंगे कि नहीं हो जाएंगे। एक है तो हमें एकजुट रहकर कांग्रेस के खतरनाक खेल को नाकाम करना है।
The BJP recollected Bala Saheb Thackeray's Chota Popat jibe at Rahul Gandhi, adding that Rahul is seeing treasury everywhere since the Gandhi family is knee-deep in scams.
हिंदुस्तान को लूटने का काम किया है, चाहे नेशनल हेराल्ड का केस हो। तिजोरी के अंदर गांधी परिवार द्वारा लूटा हुआ पैसा बंद और मां बेटे एक्यूज नंबर 1 और एक्यूज नंबर 2 आज बेल पर बाहर है। उन्होंने पोस्टर दिखाया है तो हम भी पीछे नहीं रहेंगे। ये असली पोस्टर तो ये है। क्या है तिजोरी के अंदर?
मोदी जी ने कहा एक है तो सेफ है। अरे मोदी जी का एक है सेफ है का मतलब है एकता है तो हम सब सुरक्षित हैं, सबको साथ लेकर के चल रहे हैं। लेकिन तुम जब बोलते हो एक है तो सेफ है, तो तुम्हारे प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में अगाड़ी के साथी भी नहीं होते, तुम एक ही होते हो और एक होते हो तो ही सेफ होते हो। इस बात को समझ लेना चाहिए।
The BJP also highlighted that it was Uddhav government who gave Dharavi project to Adani and not the Mahayuti. BJP reminded Rahul Gandhi about his brother-in-law Robert Vadra's past visit to Adani facilities. BJP also seized on a video by Telangana Chief Minister Revant Reddy admitting that his government took 100 crore rupees welfare funds donation from Adani.
हर जगह में मोदी जी अदानी को पैसे देते जा रहे हैं, मैं अदानी जेब से पैसे ले रहा हूँ, इतना फर्क है।
One of India's richest billionaires, Gautam Adani is once again a mega poll flashpoint. Bureau Report, India Today.
And the "ek hai to safe hai" war cry and face-off in Maharashtra has escalated after the BJP, now the BRS in Telangana, is taunting Rahul Gandhi. Remember, the BRS was demolished by the Congress party in the Telangana election of last year. The BRS has hurled a hypocrisy taunt at Rahul Gandhi. The BRS has raked up the Revant Reddy Gautam Adani meet, the photograph which had gone viral when it happened because it completely debunked the entire campaign against Adani that Rahul Gandhi was running. The BRS says Congress Chief Minister welcomes Adani with open arms. So the BRS, which is in the opposition in Telangana, taking a big pot shot at Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party over the Adani issue. Mosby Singh live with us on the "ek hai, safe hai" counter-attack by Rahul Gandhi. Once again invoking the figure of Gautam Adani to make a big political point against Prime Minister Modi. It's come, Mosby, on the last day of campaigning, only a couple of days to go for polling. You know, many people will be wondering, why didn't this come a little earlier?
That's right, Shiv, with the BJP, upping its ante and talking about batenge to katenge and countering the caste census demand of the Congress party and specifically Rahul Gandhi. One would have wondered that such an attack could have come earlier on in the run-up to the campaign in Maharashtra or Jharkhand. But importantly, Rahul Gandhi there doubling up with two press conferences and in fact starting with the Mumbai presser, getting that locker in there, trying to hammer in this point to the voters of Maharashtra that the BJP, the Mahayuti is keeping the interests of businessmen, especially businessmen from outside Maharashtra first and keeping the welfare of the people on the back burner. And naturally, the BJP has come head on and hit back at the Congress party.
But Mosmi, you know, it doesn't appear that Team Rahul is very shaken by, the counter-attack where the BRS is putting out these pictures of Revant Reddy, Congress Chief Minister in Telangana, with Gautam Adani, the many other linkages between Congress Chief Ministers, and the Adani group. Does that not cause any kind of embarrassment or conflict as far as Rahul Gandhi's campaign on this issue is concerned?
Shiv, you remember right from the start during the Lok Sabha elections, this campaign has stuck with Rahul Gandhi and the opposition or BJP's counters notwithstanding. Rahul Gandhi is very clear that somewhere the Congress feels that the BJP and the Prime Minister specifically, if we have to attack him or target him, it is about his Kamdar versus Namdar jibe that we have to attack, about his dynastic politics and corruption of the Congress that we need to debunk. And this is the strongest plank that Rahul Gandhi thinks that he can counter. He thinks that Lok Sabha, this thought and this attack stayed and they can build on it. And that's one reason that they're not flustered by the BJP's counter-attack.
All right, thanks very much, Mausami. Well, campaigning winds down to a close today. Polling is on Wednesday, results are on Saturday. So in many ways, the narrative, the rhetoric will have to sort of quieten down now. The campaigning phase is over. Mausami, thank you very much for that. India Today's Akshita Nandagopal spoke to BRS Working President K.T. Ramarao, former Telangana Minister, who's now leading the charge against the Congress party on the politics over Adani, accusing it of dual ideology over the billionaire. Listen into this snippet.
You know, we've seen, of course, a lot of talk about Adani and the Congress's criticism and yet joining hands with them in Telangana. Revanth Reddy says, what's wrong? He said that, you know, if Modi is helping Adani, it's good. They're coming to Telangana.
I think you should ask this question of Rahul Gandhi, who keeps talking every single day about Adani and corruption. What does Rahul say? Rahul says Adani is fraud. Revanth says Adani is a friend. Rahul says Gujarat model is bekar. Revanth says Gujarat model is behtareen. Rahul says, चौकीदार चोर है. रेवंत कहते हैं कि चौकीदार बड़े भाई हैं. तो उन दोनों को पहले बैठ के अपना एक रवैया चूज करना चाहिए, क्योंकि अदानी फ्रॉड है या फ्रेंड है पहले कांग्रेस पार्टी तय कर ले. क्योंकि अगर अदानी फ्रॉड है तो आपके चीफ मिनिस्टर क्यों उनके गले मिल रहे हैं, उनके साथ एमओयू कर रहे हैं, उनका चेक ले रहे हैं, उनका पैसा ले रहे हैं. अगर अदानी फ्रेंड है तो राहुल को बोलना बंद करना चाहिए कि ये करप्शन है, ये है, वो है, फलाना है, ठिकाना है, क्रोनी कैपिटलिज्म है. पहले कांग्रेस को तय करना चाहिए. आपके 3 राज्य सरकार है पूरे हिंदुस्तान में. अगर आप 3 राज्य सरकारों में सहमति नहीं ला सकते हो कोई एक अहम इश्यू पे, अदानी जैसे इश्यू पे, तो पूरे हिंदुस्तान में आप कहां से यूनिटी लाओगे? भारत को कैसे जोड़ोगे?
And just as the campaigning winds down to a close, these are the last few minutes of the Maharashtra campaign. I want to quickly summarize for you the Ek Hai to Safe Hai and the response by the Congress party, the clarifications and the crossfire, where things stand. The Congress says Prime Minister refers to safety of himself, Shah and Adani. The BJP says the Prime Minister has called for unity to be collectively safe. The Congress says till Modi and Adani are together, they are both safe. The BJP says the Congress has been isolated by its allies for this bogus claim. The Aghadi says every corner of Mumbai has been sold off to Adani. You can see they're making this a big emotive issue. The BJP says the poll campaign drama is strictly by Rahul Gandhi. Voters and the electorate are not buying any of this tamasha. Now, this Adani taunt at the Congress party by the BJP in February 2021. Let me just take you through the timeline. In February 2021, Adani Ports acquired the Dighi port in Maharashtra for 705 crore rupees. Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of the Sena UBT at that time. It was then the undivided Shiv Sena. March 2022, Adani Enterprises becomes a key mine developer in Chhattisgarh. Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, again of the Congress party. October 2022, memoranda of understanding for 10,000 megawatt solar power project with the Rajasthan government. At that time, Chief Minister from the Congress party, Ashok Gehlot. October 2021, Adani Group takes over Jaipur International Airport. Management, Chief Minister at that time of Rajasthan, Congress party's Ashok Gehlot. February 2023, reopening of Darla Ghat and Barbana cement plants by Adani Group. Chief Minister Sukhwinder Singh Sukhu of the Congress party in Himachal Pradesh. That was January 2024. Adani Group announces 12,400 crore rupee investment in Telangana. Chief Minister, like you just saw, Revanth Reddy of the Congress party. October 2024, last month, Adani Foundation donates 100 crore rupees for the Telangana Skills University. Chief Minister, as you've guessed, is Revanth Reddy of the Congress party. So there are umpteen examples of the India bloc, or specifically Congress state governments, that are happy to do business with the Adani Group, while Rahul Gandhi and his team, even at the discomfiture of India bloc allies like Sharad Pawar, continues his tirade and campaign against the BJP on the issue of Adani. Whether it will find takers within the electorate in Maharashtra, we'll have to wait for the 23rd of this month to find out.